So to show you what an anal prick does, done with my oil, I take the motherfucker and I fucking put it, and I have a little thing built here with some magnets, and I just fucking lay that shit up there and boom. And I let that shit drain into one other one. I'll drain all those before I pitch it. That way I get every ounce of that fucking precious oil I paid for. So yeah, this one's got almost 1 in it. This one's got some left in it. I'll drain all these 3 back into this one and get every ounce. So yeah, that's what an anal prick does. Just thought I'd let you know.
Country's America, motherfucker. Yeah? You're one of the assholes that's getting this prick out of here by fucking running your car like it ain't fucking shit.